What is going on, Ape Nation? Guess who I have here with me today? It's my sister. And I would say you guys won't be seeing her on my channel anymore, but that's a lie. She'll be on my channel. And you're going to see her today as I'm reporting the news that I have to report to you today. And she ain't going to do much talking as usual because this is my channel. But if you want to hear her talk, you can go to her channel because she actually has one now. How can they find you, Sandee? How can they find your channel?
Check the description below.
Oh, so guys, yeah. Check my description to find her channel, a link to her channel, which is clickable. Yes, you can click on it and head over to her channel and hit the subscribe button. And if you don't, then you're a freaking jerk. Anyhow, so I do have news to report on today. We're going to be talking about, well, Twitter. Not really. We're going to be talking about tweets on Twitter, though, so it's kind of the same thing. These are important tweets because they're coming from the great silverback himself, Adam Aron, or Adam Aaron, as some of you pronounce it. Well, he tweeted this morning, and when he tweets, it's wise for the apes to listen because, after all, he is kind of in charge of our company, right? Actually, we're in charge, but the man that's the CEO of this company, well, when he speaks, it's wise to listen, so let me tell you what the hell he's talking about. Let me tell you a little bit about his New Year's resolution, or New Year's resolution. By the way, go ahead, do me a favor and smash that thumbs up button if you haven't already, because it'll help the YouTube algorithm get this video out to more apes just like you and my sister, because, you know, you ugly ass apes. So what happens when you smash that thumbs up button is that the YouTube algorithm tends to share this video with even more apes than it would have shared it with if you weren't to, smash that thumbs up button. And what happens then is it really pisses Ken Griffin off. Do you like Ken Griffin, Sandee?
No, absolutely not.
He's like her ex-boyfriend, I think.
That would be exactly why I don't like him, right?
He's not her ex-boyfriend.
No.
I'm just kidding. She hates him even more than I do, which I thought was impossible until I heard her talking about him last night, and she said some mean things about that scoundrel. Anyhow, guys, enough of the nonsense. You know where to find her channel because all of you have been asking me about it. I'm sick and tired of having to individually respond. I'm not even a fast typer. I'm having to individually respond to you guys in the comments and be like, go to her channel, you little loser. Well, now you know where the hell to find the link in the description of my video to her channel, right? Let me update you on the news that I've got going on here with AMC that you guys need to know about. At the end of the video, and this is why you guys need to stick around, she's going to tell you a few things that you may want to know before you go to her channel. Over there, it gets real. So Adam Aaron tweeted out this morning, and he talked about his New Year's resolution, because everybody needs to have a New Year's resolution. I mean, you had one, do you not? Do you still have a New Year's resolution? Are you going to act upon your New Year's resolution and, actually do something, force yourself to do something that you didn't want to do? Well, Adam Aaron is forcing himself to do something that he did want to do. He's going to clean up the balance sheet, okay? And he vows to do that, as we all know, and everybody and their mama will tell you, well, this wasn't a fundamental play. We're here for the squeeze. But if you've been watching my videos on my channel, you know that it's kind of turning into a fundamental play. That's where the divorce turns into back into a marriage, okay? The fundamentals and, and the stock are getting married again. AMC is marrying its fundamentals. And that's not a bad thing because, with all this new revenue pouring in from all these new good movies, go back and watch the rest of my videos if you've been lost in the sauce. AMC has been playing really good movies that have been breaking records. And guess what? There's more of that coming. And another thing I should tell you is I'm going to be dropping like 3 or 4 videos today that you guys definitely need to go back and, need to watch in the future. I'm telling you what to do in the future. Watch those damn videos because I've been doing a lot of research to bring those to you. She helped a little bit. She actually did, guys. She didn't even know it, but she helped. Anyhow, so in those videos, you will learn some interesting information. Let's talk about Adam Aaron and what in the hell he's doing for us, the apes, the retail investor. So Adam Aaron has vowed to clean up the balance sheet, and we know he's going to do it. Now, yes, I already know what I'm going to see in the comments. Well, Adam Aaron, he's no hero. He's a zero. He's been selling his shares. This, that. I'm not even going to comment on that because I've commented on that. I've discussed this in full detail in previous videos. You guys can go back and watch those. No, I do not have a link to those in the description, and I'm not going to go back and put it in there because you should have been watching the videos. But you can always go back and check the beautiful thumbnails with Adam Aaron on them, and I'm sure that you'll see or find what you're looking for. All I'm concerned with in today's video is that Adam Aaron still is the CEO, and he still is doing what's in the best interest of AMC, and he will continue to do so. And we know of his track record. We know that he can do what he's saying he's going to do, and that's taking this company, AMC, to a whole nother level. So let's talk about what his game plan is for 2022, or at least what his New Year's resolution is. AMC has a little bit of debt associated with it. Why is that? Well, because movie theaters, they gave you that narrative, the short sellers did, okay? The hedge funds, they gave you that narrative that said that the movie theaters were dying. This industry is dying. And they've said this ever since the VCR was invented. But now there's streaming and all of these other things, which, hey, the next couple of videos I'm going to put out, hopefully today, they'll be edited and finished. Well, it's going to address that topic. And I have addressed it a little bit in previous videos. But this one is going to give you a lot of details. Please watch those when they come out in the future today. Adam Aaron, AMC, the company, had to take out a lot of loans. Pretty high interest loans, okay? So we're in debt. And that's, that had to happen in order for AMC to survive. And in case you guys have been living under a rock for the last, over a year now, we had this thing called COVID. Different variants coming out, and people didn't want to go watch movies. That's why this is a reopening play, and I've told you that in previous videos. Essentially, AMC's revenues went to zero. Adam Aaron has said this in many interviews. So what in the hell do you do if you're not making any daggum money, but you need money to survive? Well, you have to take out loans. And at the time, I'm not going to say AMC was desperate, but Adam Aaron desperately had to take any measures necessary in order to save the company, even though we all know that the Apes saved this company. Ultimately, the Apes saved this company. But Adam Aaron had to take a few steps in order to, try to save the company before we stepped in. The interest rates were pretty dadgum high. AMC has a little bit of debt. And that's what all of these short sellers are trying to use against us now, and that's where their narrative comes from. So what's Adam Aaron doing? Well, he's playing chess with these bastards. And he's always a couple of steps ahead because he knows what their next move is going to be. He knows what their narrative is going to be before they actually write and create their narratives. So he's trying to take that all away from them. They've given us their narratives. We've been reading them for over a freaking year now. We know exactly what in the hell is on their minds. We know exactly what they're doing, what they're thinking. And Adam Aaron is taking that away. And when you do that, well, they end up having to choke. And the reason that I'm using this analogy is because Adam Aaron is kind of using this analogy indirectly. I mean, every time we look at his tweets and he's like, choke on this, choke on that, Ken Griffin, Kenny. Maybe he's not saying Ken Griffin or Kenny. He can't use their names because he doesn't want to be sued. But who the hell do you think he's talking to? Michael Jackson? Nah, Michael Jackson died a long time ago. He's talking about Ken Griffin. He's talking about these hedge funds like Melvin Capital that got spanked and almost didn't make it. But thanks to Ken Griffin, they did. Well, Ken Griffin's going to have to do a whole lot of saving of these morons, if that dumb money, because we're no longer dumb money, even though they want to keep calling us dumb money. It looks like we're not dumb money. They are. So if Ken Griffin wants to keep saving that dumb money, those dumb monies, we know what he's talking about because we have a, ESPN, right? Just kidding. Anyhow, guys, I like to keep my videos funny and entertaining because I try to entertain y'all at the same time that I'm, giving you a little bit of information here. But we know who the hell Adam Aaron is talking to. And he's taking it all away from them, and they're going to have to pay. They're going to have to pay us for everything they've done to us, for everything that they've done to our families. And then we can sit around eating bananas, telling jokes, drinking banana shakes, and having a good old time, having a banana blast at Sonic. So Adam Aaron, what he's going to essentially try to do is refinance some of that debt, get it down, to lower interest rates, pay some of it off. We've got more revenue coming in now. We're no longer sitting there in the position where theaters are bringing in zero freaking revenue. We're actually making money now, and good money, because good movies are coming out, and we're expecting more good movies to come out. Maybe I should just save the rest of this information for the other videos that I've got coming out today, because it kind of is all related, and you guys will see when we get there. But I'm going to let her take over, because she's going to tell you a little bit about, her channel and what to expect when you get there. Should you be scared, happy? Take over so I can just relax and take my vacation.
All right, guys, so I want to warn you before you go over there, there's not many videos posted. I was in Vegas for the last few days, so I have videos that I've been working on. So as soon as I get finished editing them, I'll post them all for you guys.
While I've been sitting here working hard, busting my ass to bring you 2 to 3 videos a day, she's been going to Vegas trips, hanging out with her pals, with her girlfriends, and just hanging out and doing God knows what. What a disgrace to this ape movement. I'm just kidding. She's probably over there just eating a banana or something. Who knows? Anyhow, guys, check out the description below if you want to sub to her channel, if you want to go over there and check out what's going on. Of course, what she failed to tell y'all is she's new at this YouTube thing. You guys are the ones that talked her into signing up while she was on my channel, just, making her freaking debut. And y'all said, you need your own channel. So she did, but she's still trying to learn how to edit, because, hell, I don't got the time to do it all. But she does have at least, and I can verify this, okay, I can confirm, she's recorded at least 3 videos for you guys that just aren't edited yet. I'm about to show her how to do all that and help her all out with that. And then she'll have some videos posted for you guys. So make sure you go run over there. I need at least 1,000 of y'all to sub to her channel in the description below. And we'll see you guys in the next videos today.